Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Far Away. In this video guys, I'm going to show you a review and demonstration of the Eastwood paint guns. These guns were sent to me by Eastwood. It's the Concourse CC500 and the Concourse P500. Let's do an unboxing first, then I'm going to show you how they spray. Stay tuned. Here it is guys, this is a Concourse CC500 and the P500 Concourse. The P500 is going to be for primers. It's right there. And let's start off with the CC500. Let me open it up, see the contents. Here we go. Once you open it up, you're going to have your manuals right there. You're going to have an air regulator. There it is. You're gonna have your cleaning kit, and also it's gonna come with two tips. This one's gonna be with the 1.3. The one it has, I believe it's a 1.4. I'll double check right now, but it also comes with your adapter if you don't want to use the cup. There it is. This is your cup. And your gun. Let me open it up. It's brand new. There it is. Has a real nice finish to it. Really nice. I'm going to show you the fan pattern also that this gun gives. And yes, this is a 1.4 tip. So you get a 1.4 tip and a 1.3. Perfect. That's excellent for the primer, that's excellent for the base coat and clear coat. Sealers, you can also apply sealers. And there it is guys. This is a Concourse CC500. It's a brand new paint gun that Eastwood has. So let's give it a try. Let's see how this gun performs. Okay, that was the CC500. Now let's open up the primer gun. Let's see what's inside. And this is a P500. P standing for primer. You got your manuals. You got another regulator, which I believe is going to be almost the same one. Yeah, it's the same one as the other one. You're going to have your cleaning kit. And the needle that it has right now is a 1.7, but you also get a 2.0 which is perfect for the DTM primer that I use. You have your adapter if you don't want to use your cup. The 2.0 is perfect also for metal flake guys. You can use this gun for metal flakes. You're gonna have your cup, and you're gonna have your primer gun. Perfect. Let me open it up. There it is. It's a real nice, has a real nice style to it, and it fits perfect in the hand. Has the same design as a CC500. The only difference is this is for primer, and this one, it's gonna have the 1.7 tip right there. So you get your 1.7 tip and you get your 2.0 tip. Perfect. That is perfect for primers. So I'm going to leave all the information down below as to where you can get these guns. I'm going to show you a demonstration of the CC500 right now. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. There's the first coat. So now let's just check the size of the pattern, which is 9 inches. That is perfect. Now the material, I had it wide open. The fan, I had it wide open. I did not adjust it. I just opened everything up just to make sure that this gun's gonna spray with everything open. And it does. It sprays real good. Like I mentioned, this is the first coat. Let's start applying some 2 more coats. Then I'll start applying the high solids clear. Let's see how this gun does in the high solids clear. There it is, 3 coats of base. Now, another thing I forgot to mention is that I painted the hood and the louver thing with half a quart of paint. 3 coats. So this gun doesn't waste a lot of paint. That's a good thing. Let's see how it does on the clear, on the high solids clear. But all in all, it's doing a really, really good job. Let's start shooting the clear. That's the first coat of clear. Now it actually is doing a really decent job. That was just a tack coat. I'm gonna start applying 2 more coats, but so far it's working real good. So let me apply the other 2 coats and let's see how that concourse did. There it is, guys. 3 coats of clear. And this clear came out nice. So Eastwood, you did it. This paint gun works great with paint and high solids clear. Now I still need to try out the primer gun, so I'll do that in the next video. But for right now, guys, came out real nice. Guys, this will be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's try to reach that 100,000 before the end of the year, guys. 100,000 subscriber mark. We can do this, guys, so help me out. Let's try to reach it. Also, guys, don't forget to go to my Instagram page, Faraway Paint. I post a lot of videos. Well, not a lot of videos, but a lot of pictures and a couple of videos as to what I'm going to be doing or coming up next. All right, guys, so thank you very much. Guys, have a great weekend. Have a great week. Stay safe. And I'll see you this coming weekend. Guys, thank you and God bless.